Hey, what's up, everybody? Mark Price here at devslopes.com, and this is a course overview, meaning I'm just going to talk about the things we're going to be doing, some of the goals and ideas behind this course, and the future of where this course is going, so you can get a glimpse into everything you're going to get out of it. First and foremost, you've got 30 hours of content. All of this says 28 here. I haven't finished uploading the last few lectures, and it starts off teaching you how to get right into downloading and installing Unity. And then you build your very first game right out of the box. Really fun. I talk about Unity pricing plans. Unity is free, but I also talk about some of the paid plans and what you can get for it. And then you're going to learn the basics of C#, how to code if you have never coded before. If you have coded before, it's an overview or intro to C#, so you could get up and running. Although if you've coded before, C# is a very easy language to pick up. So I wouldn't anticipate any problems there. And it's really good stuff. Haunted Zombie Rush. It's really cool. It's like a 3D Flappy Bird, but way better. And you learn a lot about the basics of the Unity editor, how to import animations, how to jump, how to use some basic physics, how to move objects and translate things, and how to use game loops, and so much more. Whole huge section there. Just you're getting a lot of amazing stuff there. And then we go into our 2D game, which the reason why we didn't start off with a 2D game is because everybody does, and they always make it so simple, like, oh, 2D is the lame game that gets you into 3D. No, 2D is freaking amazing, and so we wanted to make it a very intensive game. So you don't actually just build a few things. You build a full-scale tower defense game with tons of code. If you really want to learn how to code and script in Unity, this is the section for you. It is amazing, and the 2D stuff is just out of this world. From enemy pathfinding to animations, you learn about data encapsulation in programming, you learn about generics, so much more in this 2D game. Obviously, you should take this course and go through this lesson, this section here. Legend of Dev Slopes. Even though it says 3, I promise there's a lecture there. Basically, Legend of Dev Slopes is a 3D fantasy game where you're going to be doing melee attacks with swords, and you're going to do specialized attacks, and you got power-ups, and we're going to talk about enemy spawning and 3D animations and simple artificial intelligence, getting the enemies to attack, but not, and then to pause and then to attack again. You're going to learn about rigid bodies, how to use range attacks with like arrows coming at you. This is a really long section that covers so much stuff. These are designed to progress linearly. Wow, that's an interesting word to say. But basically, a path that takes you from beginner to intermediate to advanced, and we cover all of those things. And what's really cool is you don't just build stupid little cubes. Today we're going to build a cube. I promise it's a pirate ship, but it looks like a cube. No, we actually got professional art for this game that you would actually use in real games, so you can know how to work with the animations and import things properly. It is not enough just to learn how to import cubes or create cubes and then move things around with it. This is all real world stuff. We're building our own games here at the studio. You're getting real world stuff. Okay, particle systems and more. All right, advanced lighting. This is a really fun section. I did it myself. We teach you how to take a scene that starts off in the day, and then how to turn off the daylight and make it into this night scene with lights in the windows and some stars, and then how to do light mapping so you bake it in, so when you're playing on mobile games and things like that, it's not killing the system. It runs really smooth, and so I cover all that. Lighting is so important, and no one else seems to cover or care about it, but we do here in this course. So then we've got cinematics. This is another fun section that I did personally because I'm so passionate about it. Learn how to take the camera and how to animate it and move it and do cutscenes from one camera to the other camera, how to rotate around an object. So, if you're playing a game like League of Legends, before the battle starts, it shows the 2 towers and it's like, get ready for battle, and, it comes around and show you all that stuff. Really, really cool. All in 3D. Another awesome section is the Skeletons versus Zombies MOBA. This is Unity multiplayer, and again, it's not just working with cubes. You actually take characters and we build this 3D environment, and you shoot fireballs at the enemy player over the network. If we start off doing it with LAN, so you can play with your friends and family on your local computers, and then we teach you how to do it over the internet and play with people online with matchmaking services and things like that, how to shoot fireballs, how to move, all the important things about Unity multiplayer. Just really great stuff, like the best of the best stuff. It's really, really awesome. So so much to cover. This course is huge, and some of the other things that we're doing, working on right now, is a Minecraft clone, and it's completely focused on mobile. So it's focused on iPhone, it's focused for Android and tvOS, how to optimize this Minecraft game for those platforms, how to deploy to those platforms, how to publish them to the App Store. We're covering all that and working on it right now. And then we also just ordered, at time of recording, we ordered our Google Daydream. It is coming soon. We're going to be doing our next section on virtual reality with Google Daydream, and then we're going to have a subsequent section on PlayStation Virtual Reality, which we also own and use. And we have signed up to become Sony developers, which any of you can do for free. And it's really awesome. So we're going to be covering all of those things. You're going to quickly see the course hours go from 30 to 40 to 50 in a matter of no time. This is the absolute best and most comprehensive course on Unity 3D. I've seen the other courses and the other stuff that's out there. They repeat themselves a lot over and over and over again, teaching similar principles. They just drag it on. We purposely designed this course to get you from A to Z in the quickest time possible, while also covering the pro tips and things we actually do in game studios when we're working on games. When I was working on Call of Duty, it was so important that we wrote good, clean code because millions of people were going to play the game. And so we teach you those things in this course. Just awesome things. Most of the things in here, if you master them, you will be able to pass the Unity certification. Although we don't cover, as of right now, the specific questions and answers to the Unity certification, all of the concepts that are in that and their training and their courseware is all covered here. Okay, I've taken the Unity courseware myself just to see what was in it. We cover all that stuff, so it's really cool. So lots to learn. Get ready to have some fun, do some amazing things, join our community. We're hopeful that a lot of you will come in, make some friends, start your own game studios, come work with us. We hire students all the time, and this is just really awesome stuff. Glad to have you here, and we'll see you in class.